Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to insert a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. But before that, please subscribe to my channel. So in the previous video, I have explained how to create a presentation in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you haven't seen that video, you will find the link in description so you can check that out. So guys, in order to create a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint, first of all, you have to make a slide which we already made, that not this slide here, but you have to make a different slide. For example, here I'm creating a new slide here. So you have to select a slide which have a picture image on that. You will find that on this title and content, to content, or comparison, or with content with caption. So you can find that here, or you can also go for a picture with caption here. So you can select any of these slides. For example, here I'm choosing the to content slide here. So here you can see guys, I have the space for this title, I have space for this text, and I have the space for this picture here. So first of all, I will write any title. You can choose any of that. Let's go for business management. So guys, I have already used a title business management. Let's choose any different color for this title. And also go for this bold format, and here I'm choosing different font. So guys, if you want to see how to design a slide, you will find the link in description so you can check that out. So here I'm using any text here. I'm adding some bullet points here. These bullet points, let's remove one of that. So now guys, I'm going to insert an image in this slide. So in order to do that, there are basically three ways to insert image. The first way is that you have to click on this option here, pictures. Click on that. If you already have a picture saved in your computer device, you can insert that picture. For example, here I am inserting anything. Let's go for this picture here of a fish. So I'm just selecting any of the picture. So guys, here I selected, I can place it anywhere on this slide here. Let's go for it. You can also create multiple pictures. For that, you have to go to the insert tab here. Click on that, and here you will see an option picture. And here you will see the first option, this device. Click on it, and you can also add some more pictures here. And let's insert some different picture here. Let's go for this one. And also you can see, let's decrease the size of this picture. And here you can see I have inserted a different picture here. You can also add some borders to your picture, or you can also select different styles for your picture. For example, here you can see I can add different style for this picture here. There are many styles available. You can go for this round one. Let's select this one here. You can choose any of these layouts. There's so many options available. Or you can also add some borders to your picture. For that, you have to click on this picture border. And here you can select different colors for your border. I'm choosing this blue color. You can also go to this more outline colors option. And here you will get this custom color and the standard colors. You can choose any of that. Let's also get for the red color here. Click on OK, and it will add a red colored boundary to your picture. You can also increase the thickness of this boundary. Let's go for that. And here guys, I have added a boundary here to this picture. Or you can also go to this picture border, and here you can also get this sketched version of this picture. You can add this scribble, or you can add this more lines border. So here you will get different borders for the picture. So now guys, I am going to explain the second method of inserting a picture. For example, I am creating a new slide here. Let's go for that. So this time I am creating this simple slide here. I'm going to show you how to insert a different picture here. So guys, in order to insert a picture, you can also click on this stock images option. Click on that. It will take a while to load the images, and once you load all the images, you will see there are a lot of images that you can choose from. There's a lot of options available. You can also go for the one specific pictures you want to see, like industry, chemistry, cities, blue, indoors, photography, reflection. There are a lot of options, people, technology, vacations. You can choose any of that healthy. So let's go for this beautiful waterfall picture here. Let's insert that into our slide. So you just have to select this picture and click on insert, and it will automatically insert that in your slide. Or you can also go for the stock images again. You can also choose different types of icons available. Here you can choose the technology, medical, bugs, icon, graphs, icons. You can also select the graphs, pictures, celebration, vehicles, apparel, anything of that. You can also choose these weather icons available here. You can choose any of that. You can also go for this cut out people option. Stickers, you can also add different type of stickers or emojis, anything like that. Or you can also add some videos or illustrations. There are many illustrations available. For example, for birthday, education, shape, you can select any of that, or you can also go for this cartoon people. So here you will see more options here, accessories, upper body, full body, faces, heads, and everything you will get here. For example, here I adding a sticker. Let's go for a sticker here. Let's choose the sticker and let's insert that. You can also go for it. So guys, in this way, you can add different types of icons and pictures. This is a second method of inserting that. So guys, you can also add different colors to your pictures or icons. For example, for that, you have to go to this color tab here, color icon here, click on that, and here you will can add different types of colors. Let's choose this blue color here, and here you can see I have added this color to this picture. You can also select different types of borders. Guys, you can also go for this option here. Here you will create a shadows to the picture, or if you want to add some reflections, you can also go for that. Especially in some people, what they do is that you will create a reflection of their pictures in their slides to look that better. Or you can also highlight a picture by adding a glow option. Let's do it different. Let's go for this yellow glow. Or you can also go for the soft edges for your picture. You can also add some bevels to your picture to more look it more impressive and professional to your slides, because professionalism is very important for these presentations in PowerPoint. You can also go for that. There are also 3D rotations available there. You can choose different angles for your pictures. It's just matter which one you choose here. So guys, now guys, I'm going to explain the third method of inserting a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So for that, first of all, let's go to this new slide option. Let's create a new slide. Here I'm choosing this let's choose for anyone. Let's go for this comparison. Here you can compare two things here. For example, here you can compare two different parameters. So now I'm going to insert an image. For that, first of all, I have to go to this insert tab, click on that. And here under the pictures option, you will see an option online pictures. So click on that, and here you can add different pictures from different online sources here. You can go for the airplane, animals. If you click on the animals, you will get the pictures of animals here. If you click on the airplane, you will get the pictures of different airplanes, and here you will get the pictures of different seasons. And so guys, in which this way you can select the pictures from these options, or you can also search a specific picture of your need. For example, here I'm searching any picture. Let's go for the waterfall. Let's enter, and here you will get different types of waterfall pictures. Let's go for this one here. Click on select this picture and let's insert. And now you can insert a picture in this way in your slide. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to crop these pictures. For example, let's take this example of this picture, and I want to crop this picture here. For that, what I have to do is I have to go to this picture format, and there will be an option crop. Click on that and click on crop. And here I can crop the picture here to the desired size. Here we go. Let's crop this image. And after you crop the image, you have to press enter key of your computer, and it will show you the crop format of the image. So guys, they one more cool feature which you can add to your slides is that remove background feature here. For example, I am selecting this image. I want to remove the background of this image. For that, I have to click on this remove background option, and it will erase the background. You have to go for keep changes, and it will remove the background of that picture. So in this way, guys, you can also remove the background of an image, picture, anything like that. So now guys, I'm going to show you how you can format your picture. So for that, let's right click and click on this format picture option. And here you will see different options. You have to click on this picture icon. Click on that, and here you can create different effects for your picture. For example, if I go for picture color, you can see I can adjust the color of this image, or you can also adjust the temperature. In this way you will get different effects to your picture. You can also go for the picture corrections. You will also can also increase the sharpness of the picture. So in this way you can create different effects. You can also increase the brightness for your picture here. If you want to make a contrast, you can also do that. And if you want to go to the picture transparency, you can adjust the transparency for your picture. You can also do that. And also I have also explained the crop feature of this already. So guys, in this way you can insert and modify your picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you like my video. Please like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notifications on future videos. So thank you for watching.